One of the things that will influence the success of your advert in 2026 and beyond 2026 is how you direct and structure your creatives. I'm talking about your images and your videos. I was having a call with a prospective client last week, and she shared with me that her adverts that were bringing results last year are not bringing results this year, and that is because of this guy, the new meta ads algorithm called the Andromeda. Now, one of the things you need to understand is that Meta updated their algorithm, and it is called the Andromeda. And one of the things that this algorithm focuses on right now is creative diversity. What does this mean? It simply means that your adverts should not sound the same. We are running, let's say, 5 adverts, all of them should not be the same. You have to structure your ads in such a way that they are targeted at different audiences and different segments of your target audience. So if your advert has not been giving you results, if your advert creatives are not performing well, here's how to fix it. Before now, this is what we normally do. We'll create, let's say, 3 different flyers, and all we are going to do is maybe change the background color, change the position of the product, and then change a few write-up here and there, and you're going to have 3 different ad creatives to use for your adverts. In 2026, this is wrong. This does not fly. Once you do this, Facebook is going to see your advert as one. Because in the sense, if you really look at it, in the real sense, this is not different. It's not different at all. It looks completely the same. So if you want to run ads that favors the new Meta ads algorithm, how do you do it? Let me give you a practical example right now. Let's say I'm selling air fryer, right? This is the air fryer I'm selling. The first thing I'm going to ask myself is, what do people desire before they purchase an air fryer? This is why you always need to take audience research and product research. Very, very important. Because without audience research and your target audience, your market and your product research, you won't have unique marketing angles to use and sell your products or services. So always start. This can make or break your advert. Proper audience research can either make or break your advert. So you always want to start there. So what do people desire before they buy an air fryer? So the first thing people desire is to eat fried food without feeling guilty. A lot of research has linked heart diseases such as heart failure to cooking oil. So the substitute for frying with oil is to use air fryer. So air fryer will help people eat their food without feeling guilty, eat their chicken, their fried fish without feeling guilty. So the desire to eat fried food without feeling guilty is a good marketing angle you can use for your advert, which gives me my first advert. So the next marketing angle I can use, or the next desire, is to save time and reduce stress after work. So most of the time, you come back from work and you don't want to do anything to cook. You just want to fix up a quick meal. An air fryer can do that for you. So the desire to save time and reduce work, and this can also be targeted to people who own 9 to 5s, people who are students, or people who own businesses who don't really have time to cook but still want to cook home meals. They can use air fryer. So this is another marketing angle I can use, which gives me my ad creative too. So the next desire is to reduce cooking oil expenses. Have you seen the price of olive oil in the market? Cooking oil, good cooking oil is expensive. So one thing an air fryer does is to reduce heavy oil usage. Instead of using maybe a liter or maybe half a liter to cook your meal, with an air fryer you can use maybe 0.1 liter. That's what an air fryer does. So this is a marketing angle I can use to sell my air fryer, which gives me a 3. Now, the next desire is to feel modern and upgraded. You can easily tap to this market because everybody wants to keep up with the Joneses. Everybody is having air fryers. People want to upgrade their lifestyle. This is an easy one, which gives me at 4. Now, the desire to use less electricity. This is another unique marketing angle because people, if you use a prepaid meter, if you are using a prepaid meter, one of the things people want to do is to reduce their power consumption. So let's say your air fryer is an inverter air fryer that uses less power. This is a unique marketing angle to use, which gives me my at 5. And this is the beautiful thing. So instead of just selling my air fryer, because the common marketing angle people use, is this: the desire to feel modern and upgrade their lifestyle. Everybody's buying a fryer, let me just sell to them. Okay, that's good, but that's just one marketing angle. So this might not always fly. How about people who want to eat healthy food? How about people who want to save time and reduce stress? How about people who want to reduce their cost on oil? How about people who want to use less electricity? These are different target audiences you are yet to explore. So instead of just creating an advert that bangs on this and then spreading your advert across all different campaigns, sit down, do your proper audience research and understand the different reasons why people buy your product and tailor each of your adverts to address those reasons and sell your product. So for me, after I've done this and created the videos, this is what my setup campaign is going to look like. So I'm going to have the campaign, which is obviously going to sell the air fryer. Under the campaign, I'm just going to have one asset, just one asset. And under this asset, I'm going to add all the adverts. And then I'm going to use campaign budget optimization, not asset budget. So this is something also you need to note. Depending on the kind of ads you're running, whether you are generating leads or generating sales, if you are using more than 3 creatives, the minimum you can use to run this advert is 20,000 naira, because you want Facebook to really test out the different ads you are using for this campaign and pick your winners. So you use over 20,000 naira per day, and then if you have maybe, let's say, 3 adverts, you use just 10,000 naira per day. So this is the right way for you to structure your advert and get better results. So don't make the mistake of just using one video and selling to a particular audience. What if that marketing message fatigues? Look for another unique marketing message, create a campaign around that, and still sell your product. So if you need help with this, I have a one-on-one offer where we get to sit together, strategize, and launch our next profitable advert. Check the description of this video. You're going to see the details about the offer, and I'll see you in the next one.